All right, now the next thing you're going to want to get installed is the TI graphing calculator. So if you click on Portal Manager over here, so you're going to click on that, that'll open up. Now, if you see this, if all of this in here is blank, then that means you need to restart your computer enough times with LCPS in order to get that to populate. Or you can just click on this refresh button right up there and you'll see that's been around, and eventually you'll see stuff in there. Now once you have everything in there, what you're going to do, there's going to be several of them that you may want to install because that's the type of software that you use. And what we're going to do is go ahead and click on Install Acrobat Reader, and then if you scroll down, you'll see that's where Geometry Sketchpad is, because we use that in the math department. And then over here, keep going down, you'll have a couple of options here for the calculator. One of them is the TI-84 install. So when you click on that, you'll notice it'll say you'll want to go here next, and then see how there's nothing in there yet. So you double click on that, that's when you'll see this kind of start going right there. And that's how you install something from the software Portal Manager using the new teacher devices. All right, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Peace out.